Yeah, spending a little extra time in the shower in the morning, the steam can kind of help with that. Take some slow, deep inhales through the nose, and then sighs and sirens. Just moving through the range. Because a lot of times you just got a little bit of gunk at some point in the chord, so you'll notice it at a certain part of your range, whether it's the high part or the low part, depending on where it is in the chord that it's trying to close up. So then coughing in general is going to be pretty rough and aggressive on the chord, so you want to try to avoid that.
Exactly.
So a little bit of that could be a little bit better thing to kind of try to hack up the phlegm as opposed to just actually violently coughing it. Because when you cough, you're pressing the chords together as hard as you can, pushing up a huge amount of pressure of air and letting it explode and slap together. And that it's not going to cause that much damage in any one given instance. Everybody coughs. But if you get in the habit of coughing a lot, or if you do it right before performance, then it does just really inflame them a lot and get them more susceptible to damage. Whereas the is just kind of pressing them together and pushing through, which is still not good, but it's better.